This 2025 Forest River Surveyor Legend 202 RBLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 25 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 4, stovetop burner, LP detector, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, oven, air conditioning, awning, slide-out, water heater, microwave, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Surveyor Legend 202 RBLE is 4,931 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.